Hello friend, welcome back to Daily Dev Java interview question. Today question is what is the difference between abstract class versus interface? Let's understand this. So interface only have abstract methods until Java 7. But now it supports default and static method after Java 8 plus. In the case of abstract class, abstract class can have only abstract and concrete methods. Okay. The variable of the interface are only supports public, statics and final constants. Okay. But in the abstract class can have instance variables, can have the instance variable, and these are the non-final variables. Okay. Inheritance has no constructor, but in the abstract class can have the constructors as well. Methods in the interface are by default publics, but in the abstract methods can have any access modifier like public, private and protected. Interface supports multiple inheritance, but abstract cannot extend multiple abstract classes. That means it cannot support multiple inheritance. And what is the use case? Basically, interface use for defining a contract for a class. That means what should able to do the class, or we can say what should be the capability of that class. And abstract class basically used for code reusability, like defining the common classes as a abstract class. Thank you.